once again welcome to you all. And in this, we are in the series of videos of learning the HTML programming, how to write an HTML language web page, the static web page. So in the last video, we have written until we have seen the attributes of a tag like style attribute, and we have introduced some more tags, a tag and hrefs target tag. So in the last website we have said that we will show you the list of all the tags present in the HTML. So this is the website, that is w3schools.com, and you can go to the tags/default.sp, and in this you can find all the tags that are there in the HTML. There are so many tags you need to see. So in this series of videos, we will introduce you the most important tags that are frequently used by a web developer. So these are the so many tags available in HTML5, and here we can see the supporting of the HTML5. This icon indicates that this tag is supported by the HTML5, which is the latest one. The HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, and every tag has its own definition, and you can refer that for all the tags and you can practice it. So in this video we want to show you how to create a list in a web page. Suppose we have a list that is an ordered list, I mean the list with ordered sequence of numbers, that is 1 2 3. So an ordered list is created by the tag ol. Ol indicates the ordered list. Let me give some space. The order list, so this is the order list, excuse me. So this is the order list ol, and in the order list we want to describe, I mean we want to write the list items. So the list item is written by li, that is indicates the list item. The first list item is apple, and the next list item is li bat, and the next list item is cat. So these are the ordered list we present, for example, in a web page. So let me erase the space and let me save this Ctrl S, and here we can see the ordered list. Since it is ordered, we have 1 2 3 in our web page, so it's the indication of an ordered list. Suppose you want the ordered list to start with ABs, I mean alphabets, that is, then you have to add an attribute to the ordered list tag, that is type. So the type equals double quotes, that is, see here we go so many types, that is numeric type, alphabetical type, and Roman types, and lowercase alphabetical types, and Roman numerals. So let me give an uppercase A, and let me save this, and you can see there is a change in our ordered list, that is they are changed to ABCs. And let me give a small I. Small I indicates lowercase Roman numerals. Let me save this, and here you can see small Roman numerals. If you give a capital I, there will be uppercase I 1 2 3. Okay, and this is the way to create a ordered list. Suppose I want to create an unordered list, means there should be nothing ordered. So simply the order list tag is changed to unordered list tag, that is ul, and let me change the end tag to ul. Let me save this. Here you can see this is an unordered list which consists of bullet type of list. So we can change the bullet type too by adding an attribute, that is our frequently used attribute, that is style equals, and style equals list style, st style, list style, code, I mean colon, and what type of style you want. Suppose you want a square box, type in square and semicolon. Let me save this, and you can see the bullets are changed to square type. And if you want circles, change the square to circles, and let me save this, and you can see circle, and you can omit the s2, save this, and here we have white colored circles. If you type S, and you will have black color one. So this is the way to create a list of order type and unordered type. And there is another way of defining the list, that is define list, that is DD. And you can see that, and it's not much useful in HTML. And you can see refer that in W3 schools of the website we have shown for you. And in next to the list, we want to introduce an important tag, not the tag, I mean the important attribute, that is ID attribute. Suppose we have the paragraph, and for each paragraph, or for each any of the tags, HTML tags, we can give a specific ID, that is ID equals, ID indicates nothing but a name to that particular tag. This is para1. So this paragraph, p paragraph, is now having the name para1. So you can get a doubt how this naming convention is useful. So in order to style this paragraph by using cascading style sheets, that is CSS, we can use this para1 ID, and we can style it. We can use this name para1 in the CSS document, and we can style this entire paragraph, and we can give a name to another one ID, and we have another. And you should remember that the ID should always start with the alphabet. That's the most important thing. And there is another way to divide the web page, that is to uh, division tag, that is div tag. And we will look about it in the forthcoming videos. And there is the use of ID. And next to this, we have an image inserting tag. So we have an image. Let me download an image and come back to you. So download an image, and the tag we need to insert an image in the website, that is the HTML tag we have is img, that is image tag. And the attribute for the image tag is src, that is the source attribute. The source indicates the source attribute, and in the source attribute, within the double quotes, we need to specify the name of the picture. So here my index.html and the picture pic.jpg were on same desktop. That's why I referred the pic as pic.jpg. Suppose you have your picture in some other directory or some other drive like C drive or D drive, we need to specify the entire path of the web, I mean the entire path of the image. So you need to specify C colon slash your directory name slash the image name, and don't forget the doc jpeg, that is the extension of the image. And the attribute, another attribute for image tag is alt attribute. The alt attribute indicates the text, that is any text within the double quotes. If your browser was unable to load the picture, it will show you the text written in the alt. So let me save this, Ctrl S. And here you can see the entire image was present in my website, and we can adjust the width of the image, that is height equals some 30 pixel px, and width equals some 30 px indicates pixel. Let me save this, and here it is, the picture became small. Let me add 300 pixel, 300. Let me save this, and here is the perfect picture. So we can add height and width for the picture using height and width attributes. And this is the way to insert the image in a website using HTML. In the forthcoming videos, we will go into the in-depth of the HTML concepts and much more tags and examples. So stay tuned to our videos, and thank you. Goodbye.